Hi. It is Saturday. I am bumming around the house. I haven't showered yet today. I went out for a walk slash jog this morning. Uh, and I'm just kind of taking it easy. I've been relaxing for most part. And I'm realizing, like, this yesterday in particular was like a really kind of solid day. Um, one of my best friends, Deanna, got engaged, which like blew my mind because it came out of nowhere, and we've been waiting for it for years now. I think. My aunt uh, bought me a typewriter, which I've been like pining for a typewriter for a long time, and I've been shopping for one. And a couple of my friends would like go to like flea markets and stuff and send me pictures, and like I've been on the hunt for like the right one, and I think I found it, and she bought it for me, and I can't wait to get it. Um, we posted the interview we did with Dallas Clayton, which has gotten like really great feedback. I'm really great to kind of have that out and done, and now like I reread it again this morning, and I'm just like it's so inspiring. Um, and I'm forgetting something. What am I forgetting? Something else happened yesterday. I cannot remember what it was because I'm getting old and my memory sucks. Um, but all around, this month seems to be coming to a really positive conclusion. I think I've decided that this format uh, is gonna go. I think I'm gonna do this for anybody who's paying attention or cares. I think I'm gonna do this format once a week, probably on Sundays, either Sundays or Mondays. And then I have some ideas for other things I want to do, and they might be random or stupid or fail, but I want to try and kind of break out of the box that I've drawn myself into. I feel like with this video project, I've kind of painted myself into a corner, and I just kind of am sitting here now, like, okay, cool, like, when's the paint gonna dry? Yes, I'm drinking a beer. Can we end on that note? Should we end there? Um, I know there was something else I wanted to talk about today, and I'm failing. Anyway, it is Saturday, May 27th. I think. I hope. Um, I hope your weekend is off to a great start. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow.